Beverly Jane, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. Yes, your girl Berry is uploading a whole lot of videos because I know you guys miss me and y'all want to see more of me, and I also like to see myself on y'all TV screen, cell phone, laptop, whatever y'all watching this on. I want to, make sure I look cute for y'all know what I'm saying. But anyways, this video is brought to you by my girl FineChina. She came out with her own lash line, and I'm all about supporting the upcoming black brands, you know what I'm saying. So she have jewelry and she also have eyelashes, you know what I'm saying. Her packaging is so cute. She got a little box here where she put the eyelashes in. I should have showed you guys a picture of it before I took the eyelashes out, but your girl was fiending. And she have a little like pink pouch where she put the eyelashes, all the jewelry in. It's just so amazing. I do advise you guys to go check it out. Her Instagram page is FineChina. Her merchandise page is FineChinaCollection. You guys need to go check her out. I'm telling you, it's worth it. But before we get into this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more of me trying out new upcoming brands stuff, you know what I'm saying. But without further ado, peace. I just wanna die, trying to run it, die. I don't even know what she said. Bunny hot, stop, pop. But welcome back, you guys. So y'all see me coming. I'm coming with the videos. So my eyebrows was giving me a hard time, but I finally perfected, so what's up, what's good. So I don't know what I'm doing today, but I do know that this video is gonna be for my home girl, my boo boo. She got her own lash line and jewelry line, so I'm out here supporting all the upcoming black artists no matter what. Even if your products is trash, I'ma promote you because black businesses is not getting as much love as these other upcoming brands, these bigger brands. So your girl out here purchasing, supporting. But yeah, whatever. That's not the main focus of the video. But yeah, I'm gonna prime my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm so happy today, so grateful to be alive still. Just extra grateful to wake up, and just feel this good. Everything in my life is coming into plan, So I'm like really happy right now. I can't complain. I just really have to take these opportunities and not be lazy. I love this BH Cosmetics palette. I have 2 palettes coming, so because I'm always using this palette. It's just that this is the only palette that I have that has so much colors in it, and it's like I could dibble and dabble in here with no problem, so that's why I'm always using this palette, because it's the only colorful palette I have. Don't mind you, I have palettes, like enough palettes that I could work with. But like if I use those palettes, it would be more of a everyday look, you know what I'm saying? It would be more of it's more of browns and like tan colors and stuff like that. So it's just not gonna be as popping as BH Cosmetics, because I could put some blue, pink, purple, orange, you know what I'm saying? I could be all up in here with this palette. So that's why I'm forever using this palette in my videos. I'm always using this palette in my videos because this palette is amazing. I would definitely buy this palette again, but it's like once I run out of this palette, I would definitely buy this palette again because it's so worth it. And the pigmentation of this palette is just poppin'. So anyways, let's get back to the makeup because the girl just keeps babbling. I'm getting mad comfortable with the camera, so I'm like, I'm just talking. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with this dark purple in the palette right here, and I'm gonna put that into my cut crease today. So now that we got that pretty purple up here, we're gonna go in with our Real Technique brush, and we're gonna just take this pink and try to blend out this purple as much as possible. Cut crease this. We're gonna cut off this cut crease and make this cut crease lit. We're gonna cut off this cut crease and make this cut crease lit. I tried to do a little halo eye. You know, I kind of perfect a half cut crease, you know, so now I'm gonna just keep trying to do this halo cut crease. I feel like it's, you know, it's there. I haven't used my BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. My boyfriend had bought me, this is my first makeup palette that I ever got. My boyfriend had bought me this, and I was like, babe, I want to do makeup, blah, blah. He was like, I'm gonna buy you this palette. He bought me this from Urban Outfitters, you know, and I haven't used this palette in any of my videos, so I want to use this palette today. Yeah, I think I might just go with Leo because Leo is more on the pink side and I have pink up in my eyes. So I'm going to take this purple from the palette and just blend out the end before I put this thing on it. Before I put Leo on it, I'm going to make sure I blend out the outer part of my halo. Before I put the shimmer, I'm going to add the Leo to the halo of the eye. So this eye looks so cute. You know what I'm saying? I'm always saying, you know what I'm saying? I'm always saying, whatever. Like, I don't know. It's just like, it just flows with body. You know, I'm gonna go put on my eyelashes, do my wing and stuff like that. Also gonna go do this eye as well. So the lashes that I'm gonna be wearing today is by my girl FineChina, and she has her own collection called the FineChinaCollection. And I went on her website because, you know, like I said, I'm always supporting people. I went on her website and I saw these lashes, and it's in the style FineChina and everything, and it's super long, and I usually do not do super long lashes, but I'm like, you know what, let me try these lashes out. And I love the way it feels. It's so soft and everything. So this is my first time wearing these lashes, so I'm like, what's better than trying it out with my, you know, my fellow subscribers, and give y'all the output of these lashes and see if y'all should buy them. It's super affordable too. And I'm about to try these lashes out and see how it works for me today. So I'll be right back. So you guys, these are her lashes in the style FineChina. Now this is my review for it. I don't really do long lashes, but I just wanted to be extra, and I'm like, you know, this looks so cute. Like, on the website it looked so cute, and it's still so cute. It's just that me overall as a person, I don't do long lashes. But let me tell y'all this, I would definitely wear these lashes if I'm going out to a club or something, because it just gives y'all, you know, it would give you that dramatic effect, you know. And I kind of like it. Like, I feel like I know it's gonna come together once I put my foundation on and stuff like that, which I am about to do. But I really do love these lashes, and I am going to buy another pair. But she also has another style called Baby Doll, I think, and it's a little bit shorter than this, and I think I'm gonna try those out. But this is so cute, like, and it's really bringing out the eyeshadow, and it's just bringing out the eyes overall. So yes, support the FineChina collection. You know, I do recommend these lashes, and it's so soft. Like, it's really like soft. It's not plastic feeling. Like, it feels like real hair. Like, I love it. I just love it. But let's get into the foundation and everything. You guys already know this is going to be a speed up. So if you guys want me to get more in details when applying my foundation and everything like that, just let me know down below. But without further ado, let's get into this speed up. You gotta put that primer on your face to get that foundation popping. Thank God we're finally done. The sun is now going down, so I am using my studio light. It might come back up though because it's only like 6 o'clock, but everything's done, everything's neat. You already know the vibe. So we're gonna go back to the eyes. You know, we're gonna go back to the eyes and we're gonna put this purple underneath the eyes. Tell me that I'm not looking cute though, cause I'm looking like a fucking snack. These eyelashes is giving me life. I need to get a pair of eyelashes. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is put on my lip gloss. I just had a tear in my mouth. This is the end of the video. This is the final look. In case you was wondering what's that on my hand, this is a pineapple tattoo that I had gotten at work. It won't come off, you know. It's just been a day though, but I've been really like scratching at it and everything, and it just won't come off. But today I'm gonna just really like make sure it come off, because they're gonna think that I didn't wash my butt. So I really have to really try to scrub that off. But anyways, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and also like this video. Comment down below if you guys want me to do more reviews on upcoming artists' makeup lines or collections that they have out. Don't forget, guys, do not forget, before I end this video, before I forget, go to FineChina's YouTube page or go to her Instagram at FineChina, and she also have a page called FineChinaCollection, to where you guys can really view her products and shop online to get her products. I'm letting you guys know, if you won't regret it. I also have a necklace, but I gave it to my little sister because she was feeding for it, so I just gave it to her. I'm also in the process of about to order new stuff from her, so you guys go check her out. Even if y'all don't purchase nothing, just go to her page and see what she got, because I'm telling y'all gonna end up buying at least one thing off her page. So without further ado, give this video a big thumbs up and also turn on your post notifications. Without further ado,